Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Ummi. This channel is dedicated to you who want to learn Arabic by studying Arabic vocabulary through short story. In the garden. في الحديقة. If you want to learn word by word for further understanding, you should read Learning Arabic step-by-step.blogspot.com. You can find the URL in the video description below. Okay, this is the story. I will tell you the story in English first, then I will say it in Arabic. I, my father, Ahmad, Fatima, and Muhammad are in the garden. My father removes the grass, then plants the bean. Ahmad waters the flowers with a big watering can. Fatima waters the flowers with a small watering can. We watered the plant with a watering bucket yesterday. Muhammad feeds the fish. أنا وأبي وأحمد وفاطمة ومحمد في الحديقة. أبي يزيل العشب ثم يزرع الفول. أحمد يسقي الزهر بدلو كبير. فاطمة تسقي الزهر بدلو صغير. سقينا الزرع بدلو أمس. محمد يعلف الأسماك. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Wassalamu alaikum.